2019 and 2020 Jeep Wrangler 4-door, and this particular system is our extreme ground clearance performance exhaust, and it is constructed of 304 stainless steel, 2.5-inch tube, and it has a street performance aggressive sound without being obnoxious. Let's give it a quick review. So when we first start, we just have a nice little whir in the background. Just, you can tell that the engine's running. For simulated city driving, which is just low input, again, we have just a nice presence of exhaust, not obnoxious, overwhelming, or overbearing in any way. Accelerate a little bit harder here. Through wide open throttle. The more acceleration you give it, the louder she gets, as you would probably expect. So now we're at highway speeds between 75 and 80, and we have some wind noise, some tire noise, just a little bit of a whir in the background, really nothing obnoxious. We are in overdrive, so we're at about 1900 RPM right now. We kick it down a gear. And if we are steady state in the 2200 to 2400, we do get a resonance or a drone. It's present, not obnoxious. I would give it probably a 3 or 4 out of 10, where 10 is obnoxious and 1 is barely discernible. So it's kind of right in the middle there. As soon as it drops back down into overdrive, it completely goes away. So for the performance sound, I would give this system an 8 out of 10, which is a good performance sound. The look at me, you're definitely going to get noticed. It's got a cool sport truck sound. As far as drone or resonance, I'm going to give it a variable. So if you're stuck in that 2200 RPM range, probably a 4 out of 10. Under normal driving conditions like I'm doing now, the gear that the vehicle selects keeps you out of that RPM range, so it's very, very livable. For maximum ground clearance and strong, durable, rugged exhaust, give us a call, we'll send you one.